Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen. Today is going to be a Dollar Tree video using brand new rub-on transfers that I found in January 2024 at the Dollar Tree. Finally, new rub-on transfers. I cannot wait to show you guys these. Here are the brand new rub-on transfers that I found. It has been a while since I found brand new ones, so it was really exciting because when I buy them, I use every single one of them until they are completely gone. But I just have a few DIYs to show you guys. They are simple and quick, and I think they look good with rub-on transfers. So I found these boxes, these like little wooden boxes. They're really cute. These are from Dollar Tree. Recently I have found a couple different styles of them, but I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. I am painting it in the color Celery by Waverly Chalk Paint. Once that was done, I decided to add that rub-on transfer. I'm only using a section of it, but it would probably look good if you did the entire bottom piece. I just kind of went with this side, and I thought this one looked really good. It looks a lot different on this green as opposed to what it was actually on the sheet, but I think this is really pretty. It's kind of like a pretty, like, subtle spring type tray, or I guess it could be everyday decor as well. This will be really cute to put like rings or jewelry in, or you can always set a candle on top. Whatever you choose, I think it'll be adorable. I decided to add these half wood shape beads to the bottom just to elevate this tray just a tiny bit, and I think this turned out so cute. And it only took about 10 minutes to put together as far as painting, drying time, which I always use a hair dryer for that, but I think this is adorable. It did take 2 coats of paint, so keep that in mind and grab that hair dryer and get ready to craft. This one, I'm using this wooden house, and it has that whiteboard type feel to it. This is probably the easiest DIY I've ever done in the entire universe. I'm literally just cutting the center part of the rub-on transfer. I really liked this larger one in the center, and then I am just sticking it right to the center of the house using my little crafter's stick. I'd call it a crafter stick. It's kind of like a rub-on transfer stick. Mine is breaking. I think I push way too hard when I use rub-on transfers, but it worked for the time being. I just need to find my other ones, but this is what it looks like. I think this is so pretty. This is 100% like a good like spring theme. I think that's what kind of these rub-on transfers are, is more of like a spring theme, unless you like these all year round. This birdhouse at Walmart, I think it was just under $4 or just under $3. I cannot remember. It's been a couple months since I picked it up. I'm using some brand new chalk paint. This one is a ballet slipper, and I was not going to waste that paint, so I just like wiped the top right on because there was just a lot of paint just kind of sticking out or sticking there, so we're not going to waste paint. So I did ballet slipper on the bottom side. And then I kind of went in with the color Celery on the top for like the roof piece of the birdhouse, but I did not like that. Like once I kind of started adding the rub-on transfers to this, I was like, this is not going to look good at all. So I ended up going back and painting it white. Sometimes we change our minds and it's totally okay. Sometimes I change my mind and don't fix it and then regret it down the road. So I definitely went back in because I was like, this is going to be such a cute piece for springtime. These rub-on transfers look so good. They're like hydrangeas. I don't think I can ever say that word right, even if I tried harder, or like hydrangeas. You know what word it is. It's okay that you don't know how to say everything correct. So I don't need anyone in the comments trying to teach me how. If I want to know, I will Google how to say it correctly. But until then, they're just rub-on transfers. Let's just call them that for now. But I put one on the bottom corner, one on the top. And then I did have some other stickers that I thought would be really cute on this. These are also from Dollar Tree. And I thought, why not? I don't really honestly know why I bought these to start with. I'm not a huge butterfly person. Maybe because I am just really wanting spring to happen sooner than later. I'm over the snow. I'm over being cold. And this just makes wanting spring to come just so much more quicker, right? That is it for this one. I love this one, and just for a couple more dollars, you can even get birdhouses or make your own with Dollar Tree items. But I think, like I said, I think this was under $3 or $4. Totally worth it. I love the way this one turned out. Because I do not like wasting any sort of rub-on transfer, and I will save these down the road. I'll just kind of like put them back in the sleeve and use them. So if there's a couple extra pieces laying around, I will go ahead, go back to it and use them. But I thought that I would just add a couple smaller ones to this little glass vase from Dollar Tree. And I think this turned out really cute. I do need a couple more for one side, but overall this is adorable. Add a candle to it, florals, water with flowers. I'm not really sure. I just kind of like it as is, because I think anything else would kind of ruin like the outside. You wouldn't be able to like enjoy it as much. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm talking about, honestly. Dollar Tree crate, and these rub-on transfers. I love these ones. Peonies. I don't like these flowers at all. They're beautiful. They're pretty, but like you get so many ants around your house when you have these flowers. I think we had some, we like mowed them over, and then we dug them out because they kept coming back, because they are those flowers that don't want to die no matter how many times you mow them over with the lawnmower. But pretty, they smell good, they just have lots of ants. But I don't know why I'm talking about flowers. I'm not even like a gardener, like a flower genius. I don't know much about flowers, but I do know that they are pretty and some smell really good. So we'll leave it at that, but these rub-on transfers are super cute. I cut them down, put this on each side of the crate, and I kind of wanted to add this like next to my sink to put like soap in. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it. So for the time being, of course, we're adding some little legs or little half wood beads. These are from Amazon. I just really wanted to add this like to my decor. So I just added some fake lamb's ear to this. The lamb's ear is from Walmart. And that's that. That's what I did with this one. I have so many of these wooden books. I picked them up at Goodwill. They were only, I think, $2.49 is what I paid for them. I decided to just go over this a couple times with some white chalk paint so I can get a fresh start. They were all Halloween related, and I am not a huge Halloween person. I do take my kids trick-or-treating, but that's probably about all I do. Although they do want me to decorate for Halloween next year, so we might be doing that. You might see some Halloween videos in what, September? I don't know. I mean, it's very unlikely, but I don't know. If the kids want to decorate for Halloween, I'm probably going to decorate for Halloween. That's just, I'm a pushover when it comes to them for sure. I use these stickers. I'm not sure where these came from. Dollar Tree, Dollar General, somewhere. They're just stickers. I decided to add Farm Fresh products on it. I seen it on a rub-on transfer I have, and I'm like, Farm Fresh products, that's going to work, because I didn't want to add a cow. I didn't want it to say milk. I didn't want to say Farm Fresh meat or beef or I don't know. Farm Fresh products I think work. It just kind of gives you like that array of, you get the picture. I found these rub-on transfers in my basket, and I figured I might as well use these. I like this greenery, so I decided just to add it around the side. I did add the twine back to the stack of books once I was done. I thought it was cute. I thought it worked, and it just works. It like, it fits perfect. This is kind of a simple DIY. It's nothing crazy, and I love it. Like, I'm going to be using this all year round. I'm ready for some new decor, and yet I just don't want to buy new decor, so making it work. I have a ton of stuff to do it. You guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love you consider sticking around and subscribing. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!